we can get lava flows, which tend to be very slow moving, but they're very, very hot. Sometimes a big column of ash is erupted into the air, and this can be dispersed for hundreds of miles. Occasionally at some volcanoes, a pyroclastic flow can be erupted, and this is a turbulent cloud of rock and ash and gas which moves very quickly down the slopes of the volcano. And then we have volcanic bombs. They don't actually explode as such, but they're blobs of magma that are erupted from the crater at great speed.
I think to achieve that we'd create a lot of smoke, and we'd use CO2 gas, so we'd basically vent liquid CO2 into the atmosphere, and it would vaporise to create this big cloud of gas and smoke, which we would then light up with perhaps a very bright red flare or some flame effects. So as the flare or the flames are going off you, it diffuses the light to get this big kind of glowing orb, which I think would be exactly the kind of thing you're after.
We're planning on making this volcano by cutting out contours from plywood of a skeleton of the volcano. So we've basically got layers within the volcano that we've got the shape of. So using that we'll build this framework, and over the top of that we'll overlay things like wire mesh and then plaster to kind of get that rocky texture, and then paint it all.